Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your cards in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello website and just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have one, just create a new account, or you can just connect with your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. And then all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. And basically, after you succeed in connecting to your Trello workspace, all we need to do, or the first thing that we need to do, is to go to our board lists, and we can we can access to any board that we have. So basically, we will need to click on this boards menu or boards button here in this navigation tab, or you can see the list of your boards here in your section or this section. And basically we are going to click on board, and as you can see, this is the board view in Trello. And now we need to go to the 3 points action or the 3 points icon and click on it. And the first thing that we will see is there is a button that is called stickers, and by clicking on this one we will be able to add stickers to our cards. So all it remains to do is to pick the stickers that you want. So you are going to click on the sticker and then make sure that the card is highlighted, and go to any placement, for example here, and you will have your sticker that will be placed here. And when you are going to expand your card, you will see that you have your sticker is placed successfully. And if you want to remove it, just hover your mouse into the sticker and click on remove, and the sticker will be removed correctly and successfully. So we can add as many stickers as we want. As you can see, we can stack however or how many stickers we want, and then you can remove them. If you want to remove any sticker, just hover your mouse on the sticker and click on remove. So basically, this is how you can add stickers to your cards in Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.